What are you doing out there, Coco? I can't come get you. What are you doing, silly bird? Are you stuck? You know what? You have these things called wings. You're more mobile than I am, you little rock climber. Coco, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't eat that. Don't you eat that, mister. Uh-huh. Tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Are you stuck on the wall? Yeah? Are you stuck up there? I guess you'll just have to stay up there. Uh-huh. I can't do anything to save you. Maybe Dad'll come save you. Maybe Dad'll come save you. Tap, tap, tap. Tap. Yeah. You stuck. I can't save you, silly bird. That's what happens when you break an ankle. I can't walk to you and get you. Yeah. What are you doing? Don't you chew on that. Oh, silly bird.